Hello and welcome. So I am at the Birmingham Campervan and Motorhome show. This is Vantage from Yorkshire, and this is their TED campervan conversion. And so this thing here is going to cost £82,000 on the road. It is a rear lounge campervan, as you can see, 200 watt roof mounted solar. It's got 200 ampere hour lithium lead battery, 25 litre underslung gas tank, very good idea. It comes with a 3 burner hob, oven and grill, 85 litre low energy fridge. And let's come to the back to admire this to start off with. So this obviously will convert into a bed. You've got you can keep an eye on what's going on outside around here, and you've got this wonderful large window in the roof. There you've got the television, so you can sit down here and keep an eye on what's going on outside. Now there is a table to put down here as well, but for those who can't be bothered to put that out, they've got that little thing there to keep your tea on whilst you're watching Doctor Who. Up here we've got storage. Have a look at the fridge. There isn't a huge amount of space in here, so you probably wouldn't be opening it from this angle. When you know it is a camper van at the end of the day, and I've got a bit of storage down here as well. And I want to say on the bit, actually it's quite a lot. There's the leg for the table here. As it's a British van, it's got to have some extra cooking materials. So in this case, it's got this Dometic microwave. Now it would normally come with the burners as well, only they don't appear to have been installed in this one. So we've got here the shower and the toilet. The sink could be a little bit smaller, but never mind, you can't have everything, I suppose. Oops, just knocked the camera. Sink in here, and down here, proper drawers in here. Table here comes with cheese, bit of bread, and oh, it's a genuine bottle of wine, that one. Okay, right hand drive, obviously it's manufactured in the United Kingdom, and as such it means it's got the door on the correct side, which is the left. Oh dear, so there's no backpacks, food or drink, so failed on all of those accounts. And so anyway, so there you go. Anyway, rear lounge campervan from Vantage Motorhomes. Thanks very much for watching, and they also do part exchange, as you can see. All the best. Bye for now.